Hey guys, good day to you. Today I would like to share with you how we can use this mobile phone or mobile app, the Canva, then we make any modification or cut out the background using the photopea. Okay, now this is my previous video mentioned about this clipping mask for the computer, but now I use this mobile app to do this tutorial. So now we click this photo, is page number 5, coming to the top, download the photo is a current page. So now I want to do is download this page number 5 and then take this photo and remove the yellow couples in the photopea. So now we're coming to the photopea. Okay, then we click the open from the computer. We just click one from our handphone, the mobile phone, the photo. Okay, now waiting the loading. So this is the photo. Okay, so now we going to the toolbar, number 1, number 2, and number 3 over here, and then we click, press it until you can see this magic wand and magic wand. Then we click for the yellow, press it, the yellow couples, and then we can see this couple is look like have a surrounding, have a dot. Then we come to the top, edit, press the edit, and then we click the cut. Then this photo is removed, help me to remove the yellow color. So this is what I want. Then we go into the files, click export as PNG. Then I can change this file name, change the file name to becoming my 123, for example. Click done, click save. So do you want download? Okay, download. So once I download this photo, so I can, once you download to your computer or your handphone, just press the plus, then we going to search the upload, then upload the file, choose the file is called just name 123, waiting to upload. Once completed, then this one will be continue like a computer the tutorial. So for example, I use another page, I make a new page, for example, new page. So make a new page, and then I can change the color, for example it's purple color. Then I press the plus button, click upload just now the photo. Then this is the effect. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a like and subscribe my channel. See you next video soon. Bye bye.